Hey guys, I'm Claire and welcome back to Quietly Crafted. For today's video, I'm just going to show you how to do the chain stitch. So the chain stitch is the foundation of any crochet project, whether if it's a blanket, a hat, a bag, a sweater, you name it. So this is the very first thing that you need to do before you get started with any other stitches. So for this tutorial, I'll just show you how to do a slip knot, and then we'll head over to do the chain stitch. So how you do the slip knot. So a lot of people do it differently. This is my personal take. So take your yarn and then make sure the end part is facing the bottom. And then I take the yarn at the back, and then I wrap it around my two fingers, my index and middle finger, and then take the working yarn here, put it through the loop from behind, remove your fingers, and there's the loop. And then take your crochet hook. So this one is my 5mm hook. And then this one here is my my handicraft yarn, which is about a weight of 4. And then what I'm going to do is going to take the working yarn, going to pull, and it closes my knot right there. All right, so I'll do it over again just to show you guys. So I'm just going to take this off. Okay, so again, make sure the bottom of make sure the end part of your yarn is at the very bottom, and then wrap your working yarn around your index and middle fingers. Take your working yarn, pull it through the loop from behind, and then pull. Then you have a loop. Take your crochet hook, pull it through, and then pull on the working yarn to close. And there you are, a slip knot. So now we're going to start doing a chain stitch. Okay, and I like to place the working yarn over my pinky, and then around my ring, my middle finger, and behind my index. And I hold it with my thumb. Okay, I'll do that again. So take your working yarn. So just over my pinky, then around my ring finger, middle finger, behind my index finger, and I hold it with my thumb. And there you have it. So now the chain stitch. So I'm just going to move this end piece there so that it's not in the way. It's going to roll a bit of yarn. Okay, so I'm going to do a chain stitch. So yarn over. Okay, yarn over and pull through the loop. And that's it. Again, yarn over, pull through the loop. Okay, one more time. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Okay, and do it a few more times. And this gives you some practice on how you can do your crochet work. And also from time to time, when you are working on your crochet project, sometimes your working yarn tends to get a little tight. So what I would do is take your yarn, just roll it so that it loosens up your working yarn, so it's not so tight. And then you continue making your chain. And there you have it. Now I'm going to show you one of my recent projects where I used the chain stitch as part of the body of that project. Alright, so one of my recent projects is this really pretty market bag. So one of the parts of the body of this bag is, well, these crisscrosses, as you can see. And these crisscrosses are actually made of the chain stitch. And it was actually fairly easy to do. I will be posting a tutorial video on how to do this market bag, so you could have one for yourself or give one to friends and family. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like more tutorials on different stitches, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.